Hey dolls, so I'm back with another video today, and I've been wanting to do a skincare routine update. I have that coming on the way because it's like a whole face and body skincare routine. But today I wanted to go over my facial care routine because I swear it's been working for me. And in this video I have a mini giveaway, something that I want to give to my dolls. Okay, I wanted to show y'all what I've been using as of lately, and I absolutely love it. I've added this to my face wash routine. So I have these makeup remover mitts, and I think they're absolutely excellent. I got these from Amazon. First of all, it comes with a mini one, so this is good, like a little travel size, you know, even when you're on the go, when you're out and about. You never know if you're gonna stay the night with your homegirl. You can have a little extra to make sure that you can clean your face very well. Now, one thing about these mitts is the material. Since they're microfiber, it really does an excellent job of removing your makeup with just water alone. It also comes with this instruction card, and as you can see, it removes waterproof and full coverage makeup. It's machine washable and it's eco-friendly, meaning that it's chemical free and hypoallergenic. So, as you can already see, the first thing that I love about it is that it comes with two of these. Okay, so you use one and then you have two sides, so when you got to get in your crevices and all that, remove the eyeliner, and then you have another one. So I typically go ahead and wash one, and then you have a whole nother one ready for the next day. And then you can also throw these in the washer and dryer as well, at least once or twice a week. I'm giving another one of these away. Okay, so I'm gonna give one of these to my ladies, and as you know, this is my nail channel, so of course all my giveaways, you're gonna get some nail polishes and just some other cute stuff. Which, to find out everything that you're gonna get in this little mini giveaway, make sure that you do subscribe on Instagram at k.barbie. All you have to do to enter this mini giveaway is, when you write your comment below, make sure that you hashtag new year new skin. Okay, so now I've wet my mitt. I have it nice, warm and hot, and I do want to let y'all know that I do have makeup on. I have my HD Makeup Forever from Sephora, which is my favorite foundation ever. Full coverage, you don't need a lot, but it really covers your face. So I'm gonna be removing my makeup and my little bit of eye makeup with this, and I just wanted to give y'all a quick demonstration so that you can see how it works. Okay, so now I have it nice and warm, and remember, I didn't put on any soap, but you can at this point use your cleanser. You can use your black soap like how I recommend that I use, or you can just use water. So I'm gonna show you how this removes the makeup with water only. So check that out. All my makeup is gone, and you can see I don't want to get too close to the camera. Y'all don't have to be all up in my blemishes, but you can see that my makeup is removed now, and you saw how easily that removed my eyebrow, which is the same thing that I use for my eyeliner. I use my eyebrow pencil. So really good. This worked really great, and as you can see, check me out. That's my makeup that I had on. And like I said, the thing I love about this is that it's two-sided, so you do one side and then you can flip it over. I'm about to go ahead and clean it out in my sink. Very easy and simple. And then I still have a whole nother one ready to go for tomorrow. And as you can see, I just went ahead and washed it, and I went ahead and just used my bar of black soap, one of my pieces, to go ahead and wash it. But very simple. Now all the makeup is in my sink going down the drain, and so I highly recommend this. This is like a magic makeup removal system. Way better than having baby wipes. Way better than using paper towels, because I know one thing that I used to always do. I would quickly grab one of my daughter's baby wipes and take off my makeup. But then, you know, if you have the cheaper baby wipes, sometimes it has the lint on your face, and it can kind of also be a disaster. So I love this because I don't have to worry about putting any of the chemicals from the baby wipes on my face. I don't have to worry about using paper towels. And this is just super fast, especially for those nights where you don't feel like really removing your makeup and you want to do something quick. Water alone, and this does an excellent job. As you can see, like, my makeup is completely gone. What happened to my eyebrows? But anyways, y'all, yeah, I completely love this. So anyways, I hope that you all enjoyed the video, and if you love these mitts, again, I'm gonna put the link in the description below to where you can get them on Amazon. And wait for it, I do have a coupon code for you to get 10% off of your order, okay? Especially because you came through and got this from me. So make sure that you check the links in the description below for all the products I talked about in this video. And if you want to enter the pop-up mini New Year giveaway, make sure that under your comment that you hashtag New Year New Skin. And I do have many new nail tutorials on the way, ladies. Best believe it. I love y'all. Talk to y'all again soon. Peace.